How much you have worked? Okay, no worries. If you haven't worked it, I will suggest that whatever you are learning, start doing the practices on your website. Whatever on-page SEO, off-page SEO, content writing with respect to SEO, whatever you are learning here, just try to apply on your website. And if you have any issue, you can just let me know that what problem you are facing, right? Nice, Vivek and Dayanand. Today we are going to start the off-page SEO factor. Yesterday we have talked about on-page SEO factor. Can you share some thoughts, like can you share at least, can you give me 3 on-page SEO factor? Using that you can improve your website ranking in the Google. Give me 3 on-page SEO factor. Share 3 on-page SEO factor. Any idea? Okay, just share one SEO factor. Title. Dayanand, very right. Yes, if you are using every page must have title, and in the title you have to use the keyword. Right, very right. Okay, any other SEO factor if you want to? Yeah, you can write article. Title, keywords in the title is very important. And Dayanand is talking about article. Yes, if you are writing article, that the entire article is one web page, and you have to optimize the web page according to the SEO factor. So I'm just very briefly going to revise the on-page SEO factor. Just like give attention, and then we will move to the off-page SEO. Right. So on-page SEO is all about I'm just giving you it's a very brief introduction. Yesterday we have discussed in detail, but you can keep in mind that whatever you are doing on your website. Yesterday we have opened our WordPress website and placed the title, URL, description, H1, H2, link. Do you remember that yesterday we have done all these things on a WordPress website? Right. So I'm just going to revise that entire on page briefly, and then we will move to the off page factors. So on page SEO is all the effort, all the SEO effort, all the marketing effort, all the optimization effort which you are doing on your website is called on page factor. For example, this is URL, this is the URL. Here they have used the keyword in the title, they have used the keyword in the URL, on page SEO technique, right? So this is the factor they are using. Whenever you are creating the URL, you can use the keyword in the URL. So presence of keyword in URL is a SEO factor. Now see, a similar thing they have written in the page title, 8 on page SEO technique. So on page SEO technique, they have used the keyword in the page title. So if you are writing keywords, so your title should be your title must have keyword, page title must have that keyword. So whatever you are doing on the page, is called SEO factor. You can make the content bold. Search engine optimization is relevant to the keywords, so you are making the content bold, right? SEO is the keyword, so you have, this is called interlinking. You are linking one page to the another page. When you will click here, you can go to the next page. So this is called interlinking. So interlinking is also a factor in ranking. So you have to use the keyword in the URL, you have to use the keyword in the page title, you have to make the keywords bold, italic, underline, stand out, colored. You have to link one page with the other page on the relevant keywords. So all these are on page factor. Right. If possible, you can use the images. Images should be optimized, and let's try to use images. when you have a content, try to have that content in the numbering format, bulleted format, pointer formats, or your content readability and scannability should be very good. It should be very super easy to read your content. And to make your content more readable, you can your content should be in bulleted and like in numbering format or in bulleted format, 1 2 3 4 or bulleted format. So like they have used the these kind of bulleted formats. So one number is you are using the keyword in the title, second they are using the keyword in the descriptions, you are using the keywords in the keyword tag or meta tags, you are using the images. See, you are using the images. Here you have used the images, here you have used the images. So use of image on the page is a factor in ranking. How you are using the images is a factor in ranking. So you in the URL, it's if you are using the keyword in your URL, this is the URL, this is a factor in ranking. If you are making the content, let's suppose this is your if you are writing the content, every paragraph must have proper heading, and that heading you can write in header tags h1 h2 h3 h4 h5 h6. These are called header tag. So you have to place the important keyword in the header tag. So in general, what we suggest, every page must have one header tag. So I assume whatever you are placing on the page heading, what the top of the page, whatever page heading you are giving, that page heading should be in H1, that is header 1. The header 1 is the most bigger, like they have bolder, bigger, and the biggest on the page. So your H1 should, your page heading should be in the H1. If you are making a content in the bulleted format or paragraph format, your paragraph heading or your section heading can be in H2. If you are making it in H2, you can make it in H3. So H1, H2, H3, all these are header tag. These are header HTML tag. And when you are, if H1 means the biggest one, H2 means less, smaller than H1 but bigger than H2. Bigger than H3. H3 means smaller than H2 but bigger than H4. So there is a sequence of H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the header tag. So wherever you are trying to make the content more readable, more important content, you can place the important content heading of the paragraph or title of the images or heading of the section. You can make that part in H2 and H3. Right? So this keyword, you should not repeat the keyword in like you should not repeat the keyword frequently. Keyword density should be max to max 3%, 2 to 3% is fine. So if you are writing 100 words, so in that 100 words you should be repeating the keyword max to max 3 times, not more than that. So if you are using the images on the SEO, yes, you must be using all kind of media. If you can use images, if you can use videos, if you can use PPTs, if you can use ebooks, if you can use PDFs, if you can use audios, so any kind of media is going to improve your SEO ranking. So try to use different media type on your page. And interlink, how you are linking one page to another page. Say you, this is the SEO is your keyword, you are linking this particular page from the word SEO, so this is called interlink. You are linking another page of the same website, so interlinking. So when you are linking one page to the another page, again it's a interlinking, again this is a interlinking. So you can have 3 to 5 link from one page to another page. So in summary, these are important on-page factor, right? So once you have make your website friendly for from on-page point of view, means if you are happy with the on-page is all about, you can say that you are setting up your shop. When you start your shop for the first time, you decorate that shop a lot. So you are optimizing the shop so that if someone is coming on to that shop, your shop should be ready to handle that customer. So on page is all about, you are making your online shop ready to handle your visitors, right? So I hope you understand the basic of the on page. Are you able to do it on your website? Ayushi, Dayanand and Vivek, I hope you understand. We have revised the on-page part. Yes, nice, nice. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, Dayanand. So now we are going to start the off-page activities. Off-page SEO. It is also termed as off-site SEO, off-page SEO, or backlink SEO. You have to, like, whenever you are saying yourself, like on page is all about you are saying good thing about yourself. You are the best, your website is the best, your content is the best, your images is the best. Means on page means you are providing the relevancy clue to the Google. Okay, why your website is the best and why Google should pick your website, because you are placing the right keyword at the right place, right? You are making your content readable, you are making your content scannable, you are using lot of images, graphics, h1 h2. So on page is all about setting up the relevancy factor. Off page is about collecting recommendation in your favor. Isn't it a good idea if you are saying best thing about yourself and other people should also say the good thing about you? What do you feel? Other people, if other people are saying or recommending your product and services, is it good or bad? Yeah, it's always good idea that if you are saying about yourself, that have an impact, but when someone else is talking about you, someone else is recommending you, that is the best thing can happen to you. That is the best thing. So off-page optimization or off-page SEO is all about how you can receive backlink from one website to the other website. How you are receiving, how you are generating recommendation for your website. How other people should start placing your website link on that on their own website. So it's all about off-page activity. So today we are going to discuss about off-page activities, linking, backlink, RSS. So these are the different way to collect that backlink. Backlink is some other website is giving you links. Backlink, you have a website xyz.com and some other website is giving you backlink, then it's called backlink. For example, let me give you some example. So you may search, you can go to the Google and you can search the backlink, link colon, let's suppose search backlink of GoDaddy. How many link GoDaddy has received? All right. So let's find how many other website has given links to GoDaddy. It should be the entire. Let's get link colon URL. Link colon URL will give you an idea that how other website has given link to this website. It's not giving. Okay, you can check the backlink from other ways as well. It's only giving the link within the website. It's not giving link from the outside website. So let's use another tool. There is a tool called Majestic. You can note down the tool majestic.com and open Site Explorer, backlink watcher. You can check that who has given you the backlink. Okay, let's see. Let's check the backlink of McIntern. Right. Let's see how many people have given backlink to the McIntern. Right. So you can go to a tool majestic.com. Here you can place the URL and you can search how many backlinks McIntern has generated in its favor. See, Make Intern has done on-page SEO. They have placed the keywords like internship or internship here, or make intern. Intern is part of their URL. So they have created the navigation optimization internship. They have used the internship here. So they have optimized their on-page. And now how many people have, you can see the internship is in the head paragraph heading, internship is in the paragraph heading. So this page is relevant for the internship, right? Make Intern has created this website and placed the internship as the main keyword at the prominent places. Internship, 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 and in the page heading internship, here it's internship. So this is the way how Make Intern is proving to the Google, okay, my website is about internship. Now other website has to recognize Make Intern as well. So let's see how many backlinks Make Intern has received so far. It's 271 backlinks, means 271 other web pages have placed the Make Intern link on their own website. So it's 271 external links. And referring domain, so they have received total number of link is 271, but the domain, unique domain is only 62. So let's suppose if someone is giving you link from this place, if someone is giving you link from the common area like header or footer or right navigations, so what will happen? In that case, you are getting backlink from all of their pages. Let's suppose this is one of the page, and someone is giving you link from this places. So this is the common to all pages. Can you see that this is common to all the pages? So even you will go to this page, you may find the same content here. So it's, you can see most of the time what will happen. So this is the common link you will see in the right navigations. So if you are getting backlink from the right navigations, you will get the backlinks from the many pages. So the domain is one, you are getting backlink from the same domain, but their number of backlink is high. So that's why the referring domain is 62. Referring IP. So how many that if the website is owned by, if 5 website is owned by same person, so their IP will be same. Their first 3 octet of the IP will be same. So here you can see that the backlink profile of the Make Intern. So here you can see the list of the website which has given a link to the Make Intern. And Make Intern has received link on the keyword like makeintern.com or summer internship, or they have received summer internship program, or they have given got a link on makeintern.com, or internship, they have received the link on the internship. So these are the keyword on which they have received the link. So they have received the link from, see, this is the website from they have received the link ermedia. Let's see, you can go to this page and check that whether they have given the link to the Make Intern or not. So you can, this is here, and you can see if they have given the backlink to Make Intern. Make Intern. So they might have given the backlink from here. It's not appearing. You can go to the Control U and you can search for the URL. If this ERE Media has given link to Make Intern. Yes, they have given link at I am working in the Make Intern to, this is the, on this text they have given the backlink to Make Intern, right? You can go and find where they have given this link is from blog comment. This link they have received from blog comment. So they have written the content, and someone has, this John Project 14 has done the commenting, and during that comment they have placed the link. So this, when someone will click here, then when someone will click here, they will go to the Make Intern. So this particular link is called backlink for Make Intern. This, when you will click here, and then you will go to the, you are going to the Make Intern. So this particular link will termed as backlink for you. This particular link will be backlink for you. So this is the link, is this link is backlink for Make Intern. So I hope you understand backlink. Is the question is from Vivek, ma'am. When we open the website, we get some picture pop up about something. How it will get? Okay, Vivek, that is called lead generation or pop up ad. So you can set up, if you are using WordPress, you can use plugin for it. You can use the plugin like Opt-in Monster. You can use the plugin like Sumo Me, or you can use the plugin like Mail Munch. So using the plugin, you can create that pop-up. In that pop-up, you can set up your text, right? For example, this website is giving you the pop-up. Vivek is asking how this website is giving you pop-up. So this is the pop-up window where they are trying to collect the email IDs from you. They are trying to collect the email IDs from you, right? So you can use, either you can ask your developer to do that, or if you are using WordPress website, in the WordPress you can create such pop-up using plugin. I have given some name of the plugin like Mailmunch, plugin like Sumo Me, or Opt-in Monster. You can do that, right? Vivek, I hope you understand. Now let's backlink is clear to all of you. Any confusion? What is backlink? Yes, Vivek has understand. Now all of you have understand what is backlink. Backlink means this is another website. This is eremedia.com, and in eremedia.com, when someone is clicking here, they are going to the Make Intern. They are going to Make Intern website. So this is called backlink, right? Someone is clicking here and they are going to Make Intern. So this is called backlink, and this text is called anchor text. This particular text is called anchor text. Summer, they have received the link on the text called summer internship. So summer internship is the anchor text, right? And if you want to go into the detailed one, I would like to show one more thing. Like in Control U, you can do the Control U and you can see the background HTML code. And in that background HTML code, there is a, wherever its link is placed. So when the link is placed, there is a word called rel is equal to no follow. Rel is equal to no follow. And the anchor text is summer internship. The text on which you have received the link is called anchor text. So this is the anchor text, and ahref is the actual this is the code which you have to place to receive the link. This is the HTML code which you are placing on other website to get the backlink. So this is ahref. The link is makeintern.com, and relation between this new website eremedia.com, relation between eremedia.com and makeintern.com is no follow. Rel is equal to no follow. It means that eRemedia is not sharing their value, not sharing their authority with the Make Intern. They have placed the link, but they are not sharing, they are not recommending Make Intern, right? So then REL is equal to no follow means this particular link will not contribute in SEO ranking. So if you are looking for SEO ranking, you have to get do follow link. Never go for no follow link. Do follow link means REL is equal to do follow. It's not, it will not written there if it is nothing written. If it is, if just this is not, this particular REL is equal to no follow is not given there, it means that it's a do follow. So REL is equal to no follow is the mechanism to inform to the Google ki, okay, I have placed the link. I have placed the link makeintern.com, but I don't want to recommend this website for the SEO ranking. So don't add my recommendation for the SEO ranking, right? So by now you should be able to understand what is backlink, what is anchor text, and what is no follow. Backlink, anchor text, and no follow. All of you are able to understand? Right? So anyways, we will look into more details that what are the other off-page activities you can do to get the backlink. So off-page optimization is all about receiving backlink from one website to your own website, and we check that whether the website is indexed or backlink. How you can receive the backlink through social media, blog directories, article directories, blog commenting. So this is an example of blog commenting. This is the example of blog commenting link, right? So video submissions, you can receive the backlink by doing video submissions, press release, Yahoo answers, authority backlinks, outsourcing, you are asking someone else to create the backlink, and you can decide that how many numbers of backlinks you required, on which anchor text your backlinks are required, what kind of quality of your backlink is required, what should be the frequency of acquiring those backlinks. So if you are planning all these things, then it is called creating the backlink strategy. This is called backlink strategy. So we are going to discuss all these things today, right? So off-page optimization is all about how you are getting backlinks for your website, how you are placing your website link on other website. You can go to the website, do the blog comment, place the link. You can go to the video website, submit the submit video and get a place your website link. You can go to other website, create a profile. While creating the profile, you can place your website link. So that will be a backlink. You can go to the forum, you can answer the questions and place your link. So there are many ways to get the backlink. But one thing you have to keep in mind, backlink is all about placing links on other website, placing your website link on other website. So that is not in your control. On page is in your control. Your website, you are doing the optimization of your own website. So you can change anything, you have the access of the code, you can do any changes. But off page, you are trying to place your link on other website. So it depends on other website do's, don'ts and guidelines whether they will allow you to place the link on their website or not. So you have to tactfully smart enough so that they should allow you to place your website link on their website, right? So off page is not in control. Whatever activities or whatever like link acquisition activity, whatever SEO activities you are doing on other website is called off page activities. On page activities, whatever you are doing on your website. Off page activities, whatever you are doing on other website, right? So we will search for the first we search for the resources. Which website is the best for the backlinking? If let's suppose if the website is existing but Google does not have any idea if the website is existing or not, so Google will count that website as a backlink or not? So just let me give you some example. Right, you can go to the Google. You can go to the Google and let's search for internship, digital marketing internship. Digital marketing internship in Noida. You are searching for digital marketing internship in Noida, right? So okay, if you have any questions. Okay, no audio. Dayanand is saying no audio. All of you are able to hear me? Only this message is only coming from Dayanand. So if Vivek is able to hear me, what about others? IUC also can hear me. then you have to check your own place. Like something is going to something wrong with at your end, so you have to fix it. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Dayanand. Thank you, Sarah. You are also able to hear me. So all of you are able to understand what I'm talking about. We are talking about off-page activities, and we are talking about strategy and tactics and tips to acquire backlink for your website, to acquire links in your favor. Acquiring backlink means you have to place your website link on other relevant and authority website, right? So let's see, I'm talking about you have to receive the link from the indexed website, Google indexed website. When I'm saying Google indexed website, I mean to say that if the website is present in the Google database, then only it's Google indexed website. You have to know whether the website is present in Google database or not. So let's suppose you have acquired link from this website. You have acquired links from this website. You can check that whether this website is present in Google database or not. To check that, you can copy this URL, just copy this URL, go to the Google and search for site colon URL and click on enter. So now see, this particular website is present in the Google database, then only it is appearing as the result. If this website is not present in Google database, the website will not appear as a result. So if you are trying to get backlink from any website, you will make sure that you will get backlink only from the Google index database. You will not take backlinks from the non-index database, right? So how you can check the backlink? You can see the your status of your website. Let's suppose you want to know how many of the make intern pages are present on Google database. If you want to know all the pages of make intern which is present on the Google database, so what you can do, just open the website makeintern.com, copy the URL, copy the domain name, and here you can search for site colon URL, site colon URL, right? So you can just site colon URL means makeintern.com. I want to know that whether the make intern is present in Google database or not. So you can click on site colon URL and you can click on enter, and you can see that make intern has 12,800 pages present in the Google database. It's all these are make intern pages. All these are make intern pages. You can see that all these are make intern pages, right? So make intern has 12,800 pages, and Google database has included all those 12,800 pages in their database. So if the page is present in Google database, then only Google will get to know, okay, you have placed the link on that. If the page is not present in the Google database, there is no use of that link. So whenever you are trying to get backlink, you will try to get backlink from the Google database. So everyone know that how to get how to check whether your page is indexed or not. Right? Yes, IUC, nice, thank you. One more thing I'm just going to discuss if about your website. If IUC is asking how to index the pages. Yes, IUC, Google is not waiting for you that once you will request to index, then only Google will index. Google has own program called crawler, which goes on finding the new content, finding the new URL, and whenever they find the new URL, they index that URL, they send that information to the index. Even as you are learning SEO and search engine optimization, so it always makes sense that we should be doing proactive action to make our website indexed, right? So to make your website indexed, you can use one Google tool. That Google tool is called Search Console. Google Search Console. That tool is called Google Search Console, right? You can go to the Google Search Console, and then you have to use the add property, right? you have to use the add property. I am using another link. Let's suppose I am using another link to add property. Okay, let's see if I am able to show you. And I can show you the search console from other account. Here you can, okay, no worries. So that I should be able to show you from the scratch, right? So I'm going to show you how to add your website to the Google database, right? When you will use the search console, is indexing not part of on-page SEO? Yes, exactly. SEO is on-page SEO. Indexing is part of on-page. It's you can term it as a technical SEO. Technical SEO means which you are making your website indexable and crawlable, and informing about that what page to index, what page not to index, whatever activities you are doing for the one time activities, adding your website in the Google database, adding analytics code on your websites. So these kind of on page activities, we separately termed it as a technical SEO, right? So you may term it as an on page SEO, you may term it as a technical SEO, right? So let's see, if you have to add your website to the Google database, here you can use go to the Google search, Google search console. Here you will enter, they will ask you the Gmail ID. You have to enter your Gmail ID, and then you have to submit your website here. So you can ask your Google to index your website, you can ask your Google to index your Android app. So right now we are going to ask Google to add my website, and let's suppose I am adding a website name Downtown International. Let's suppose this is the website. I am trying to add this website to the Google database. So here you can enter, you can click on add property, and see if I'm able to enter into the website. I don't have access of this website, so I may not be able to enter the code. So once you have added the website, you have to verify the ownership, whether you are the owner of the website or not. If you are the owner, then only Google will reveal all the SEO related informations about this website, otherwise Google will not reveal. So you have to verify your ownership. There is a many method to verify that. Right now I am using the alternate method. You can go to the alternate method. These activities you can do for your WordPress website. How many you have created your WordPress website, free WordPress website? How many of you have created free WordPress website? Say yes if you have created your own WordPress website, free WordPress website. I'm not sure if you have created it or not. If you have created your own WordPress website, you can just go to the Google Search Console and enter your Gmail ID, and then you can click on HTML tag, right? You can click on HTML tag, and here you will copy the code. Here you will copy this code, and you have to place this code on your website. To place this code, you must have access of this code. So right now I don't have access, but even I'm going to show you how you can place this code. You have to place this code under the head tag, wherever your head tag is ending. So you have to place this code just above this end of the head tag. You will go to the HTML file of your website, and you will place your code above this end of the head tag, right? So if you don't have, right now I can see the code, but I cannot place the code because I don't have rights to edit this code, right? So if you have rights to edit the code, you will download the file, place the code just above the head tag, and then you will come back here, and then you will click on verify. Then you will click on verify, right? So let's let me show you the same thing on other website. Let's suppose I'm going to show you digitalmarketingc.com. If it is your WordPress website, you can go to the digitalmarketingc.com, and here you can place you can enter into the code area, that is wp-admin. You must have code area, and once you will a wp admin, then you have to enter the user ID and password, right? You will enter the user ID and password, right? You will enter into the WordPress dashboard. If it is your free website, then you will go to the tools. If it is your WordPress free website, you can go to the tools. You can click on available available tool. If it is your WordPress free website, that you can do right now. Here you will find one place to place the WordPress code, that Google Webmaster Search Console code. You will find the fill in the blanks to place this code. Right now it's not free website, it's the self-hosted websites. That's why it's not appearing in the available tool. For free website, it will be available in the available tools only. So you will go to the available tool, and wherever it is written webmaster verification, Google Webmaster verification, or Search Console verification, you will copy this code and enter here. You will copy this code and you can place there, right? So if it is self-hosted website, you can place the same code using, you can go to the appearance. In that appearance, you can go to the editor. The same code you will enter into the appearance editor, and then you will find header.php. You will find this is header.php, theme header. You can click on header.php, open the header file. So open the header file. So it's opening. Here it should be header.php. If your header file will work, it should be header.php. So it's header.php, and here you will find the head tag. It is the starting of the head tag, and you will go to end of the head tag. This is the end of the head tag, and then you will place the code here. You can place the code here, that code you have copied from Search Console. This code you have copied from HTML tag, and you have copied this code, and you have placed the code just above the head tag, and after placing, you will save the file. You will update the file, and after updating, you will come back to the Search Console and you will click on verify, right? You will click on verify. Once you will verify, you have this kind of option. Right now I'm going to show you, once you verify, how your Search Console will look like. So you will see that I'm using this account and doing the logout from this account. Let's suppose I'm logging out from this account and going to show you how you can add Search Console. It should be this account only. It should be sign out and open the again I'm showing you from the scratch. Go to the Google Search Console, Google Search Console, and all these activities you are doing to make your website indexed. So here you can Search Console will ask you for your Gmail account. provide your Gmail account. You have to provide your Gmail account. Right, then you will sign in into the search console. So here you will see the properties. With the property you have added, you will see the property you have added in the search console. So let's suppose I have added property digital marketing C. You can go and see that how many pages Google has indexed. So here this is the search console. Here you can see the index, Google index. Here you can go to the index status, and you can see how many pages they have indexed. This is a total 90 pages Google have indexed. And if they have blocked resources, they can see that how many pages are blocked due to any reasons. And if you have to remove your URL from the Google search, if your page is appearing in the Google search, and if you want to remove that pages, you can remove from temporary hiding. You can go to the search console, Google index, remove URL, and removal URL, temporary hide, and you have to provide the URL. Google will remove that URL from the search console. If whether Google has indexed or your crawled or not, that status you can see from here. So it's there is an option to sitemap.xml. So here you can create the list of all the pages, and you can submit to the add sitemap. Here you can submit digitalmarketingc.com/sitemap.xml. So sitemap is the file where you are going to list all the pages of your website. You are going to list all the pages of your website, and you will give the name of that file is sitemap.xml in the XML language, and then you will upload that file into your root folder, that is public_html folder, and then you will add that file here as sitemap.xml, sitemap.xml, right? So if you are then you will add it. So that way you are going to add all the pages of your website to the Google. So let's see if this is your website. If you want to see what is there in digitalmarketingc.com, you can enter, and then you can enter sitemap digitalmarketingc.com/sitemap, right? Here you can see sitemap not found. So if you are using, IUC is asking how to create sitemap. If you are using WordPress website and you are using one plugin, either all-in SEO plugin or Yoast plugin, they will create sitemap for you. So here you can go to the SEO, and you can see the sitemap XML. This is appearing only because we have used one plugin. That plugin is Yoast SEO. Either you can use Yoast plugin, or you can use all-in-one SEO, or there are many other SEO plugins are available for the WordPress. You can use any good SEO plugin, and they will take care of your sitemap. They will create the sitemap for you, right? So otherwise, if you are not using WordPress website, you can use many tool, like you can just go to the Google and you can search for XML sitemap generator, and you will enter your website and they will create sitemap for you. So you can say that sitemap generator, and you can go, there are so many sitemap generator tool. You can just go to any of such tool. xmlsitemaps.com is a very good sitemap generator tool. You can go to this tool. You have to enter your website. Let's suppose you want to create sitemap for digitalmarketingc.com. You can copy the URL, and you will provide that URL to the sitemap generator tool. Here you will provide the URL of your website to create the sitemap. Make sure that HTTP, HTTPS, www without this URL should be correct. Your domain name should be correct. And you will provide the rest of the setting, that how frequently you are updating the content, and server response will be considered as the change time or not, or whether you want to set up the priority or not. You will provide these things, and then you will click on start. So this sitemap will this tool will generate sitemap for you. So they will generate sitemap for you. You will download that file, upload into your root folder, and submit the file name to the search console. Submit the file name to the search console. Whatever file name you are creating here, you are creating a sitemap, your website.com/sitemap. So you have to upload that file on your server. You have to upload the XML file on your server, and then you will submit the sitemap file name here, right? So that way you are giving list of all the pages of your website to the Google in one file. Google will visit one file, and Google will be able to know that what are the pages you have listed on your website. So here you can see the sitemap for, it's a sitemaps underscore index dot. So here for digitalmarketingc.com, the file name of the sitemap file is this one, sitemap underscore index. And within that file, they have created many sitemap. They have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sitemaps. One sitemap only for the post, one sitemap only for the pages, one sitemap only for the categories, one sitemap only for the tags, and one sitemap for the formats, particular post format. So when you will go to the page, then they will give you the list of all the pages. Once Google is on this page, once Google is on this sitemap page, you have informed Google regarding all the pages you have created so far on your website. So we will enter sitemap in the search console for all the website. Yes, once you have created the sitemap, IUC is asking, will they have to submit our website sitemap file to the Google? Yes, once you have created the sitemap, it always wise to submit the sitemap URL here by providing here you have to just submit the URL where you have created the sitemap. So our sitemap file is, let's suppose I want to submit this page to the Google. You can just copy this and you have to just paste it. But make sure this file must be available on your server. If you have not uploaded this file on your server and then you are submitting, then it's not going to give you anything. So your whatever file in whatever file is going to list all the pages of your website, that you have to submit to the Google. So anyways, there are a few more things about the sitemap, like it's if you are linking your sitemap from your end of the page. Let's suppose this is your website, and at the end of the page in the footer section you have included your sitemap. So if Google is visiting this page, by default they will go to that link and they will get to know all the pages of your website. So once you have created the sitemap, you can also place that link of the sitemap on the footer of the website. You can create many sitemap, like XML sitemap for the Google, HTML sitemap for your users, and image. If you have lot of image, you can create separate sitemap for images. If you have lot of videos, you can create separate sitemap for videos. So sitemap is the mechanism to give the list of the web page URL to the Google in one file. So I hope you understand the basic of the sitemap. In the same way, you can create one more file. That file is called robots.txt. That file is called robots.txt, right? So robot.txt file is all about whatever pages which you don't want to show into the Google. So it's let's suppose this is your sitemap is whatever pages which you want Google to rank. Robot.txt is all the pages which you don't want Google to rank. So this is you can see that robot.txt. So we have disallowed. This is the syntax of robot.txt. How you should be uploading the robot.txt. So it's WP admin. All the page name, all the page of Digital Marketing C website having the folder WP admin is disallowed. Is not, it will not appear in the Google, right? So robo.txt is all about list of the pages which you don't want which you don't want Google to rank. So you will list you will disallow all the files, folders, or images, or graphics, or pages. You can disallow, and it should not appear in the Google. It will not appear on the Google, right? So this is the basic of sitemap. And when I'm saying indexing website, I'm talking in terms of off page. I'm talking in terms of off page, means if you are trying to get backlinks from other website, and if that website is not present in Google database, then there is no use of taking backlinks from that website. So you will always try to get backlinks from the website which is already present in the Google database. If the website is not present in the Google database, if website is not indexed in the Google database, so don't take link from that page. So before trying to get backlinks, you can go and check the status of the index of that page by typing site:/URL on Google, and you will get to know whether that page is indexed or not. Right? So indexing, you understand, all of you? Indexing, site indexing. So the IUC has understand, but Dayanand has not understand. Dayanand, no worries. Indexing is a mechanism to inform Google that what are the pages you have created on your website. It's as simple as that. It's indexing is the mechanism you want to inform to the Google. I have created this 5 pages. I have created this 500 pages. I have created this max pages. So to do that, you have to create a simple file. File name might be XML sitemap or XML index or whatever name you want to give. You have to create a file, and there you will list all the pages of your website, and then you will submit the name of that file to the Google. So once your website is ready, and then revise this session, and then you will be able to submit your XML file to the Google. Conceptually, it's clear now. So nice. Now come back to the off-page activities. So off-page is all about acquiring the backlink, and all of you understand backlink means getting your link placed on other website. So you have to place your website link on the other website, then it is called backlink. Oh, what happened? So, so we have discussed about off-page activities, backlink. So off-page is, let's suppose this is the how to make business out of blogging. So this is the text, this is called anchor text, and in that anchor text you have given the link to other website. So this is called anchor text, and the link you have given on that text is called backlink. So off-page optimization is when you are placing a link, you can also give link as a alt text. So whenever you are placing a like image optimizations, we have discussed about how you can optimize an image. Let's suppose this is your website. Go to your website. Do you know image optimization? WP admin, and if your image must have proper name. Let's suppose if you are uploading any image, you can go to the media, and let's try to upload images. And when you try to add images, you can click on add images, or you can just use any of the existing images. So let's suppose this is the images. So here this is the file name. You can say that this is the file name. So let's suppose you are optimizing this image. So here you can see the file name. It's why not it's appearing. All these are the image attributes. These are called image attributes. So if you are using any image, so along with that image you have to provide the image name. Image title should be relevant, image caption should be relevant, image alt text should be relevant, image description should be relevant, and if possible you can provide the link on the images. You can provide the link on the images. So this is called image optimization. So alt text, if your image will not appear somehow, let's suppose this is you are placing a alt text at you are placing a alt text like digital marketing training at college. So if you are placing digital marketing training at college, so this is your alt text. So when you are placing this alt text, it will appear on the page if somehow your image is not uploading. If somehow your image is not uploading, then it will your link text will appear. So this how your link text will appear, you can see here. So if here they have given the alt text for all access pass folder. So this is alt text. Your image is not appearing, then Google is showing your alt text. Here image is not appearing, the Google is showing alt text. So it's called alternative text. Whenever you have uploading an image, try to provide informations related to the image. So the informations like URL, title, captions, alt tag, description. All software has media blindness. Software cannot recognize what is written in the image. So when you are providing relevant text in the alt text, in title, in caption, in descriptions, then only Google associate the meaning to this image. So always try to provide the relevant text. So if you are placing the link, then this text, you are getting a backlink on this text. So if it is image, then you are getting a backlink on the alt text. So if you are placing link on the images, if you are placing link on these images, then you are getting backlink on the alt text. So whenever you are using images, make sure that you must be placing alt text and on the images. This is alt text. So this is every image must have alt text, right? So you can also do you can also generate backlink via RSS. How many of you know RSS? Any idea what is RSS? So IUC has not understand alt text. Alt text is alternative text, IUC, and for that, let's suppose Makeintern is the website, right? You can see the images. This is the images, right? So when you are seeing the images, this image have proper name, this image have alternative text. if somehow due to slow internet connection or due to wrong addresses or due to any XYZ reason, if Google is not able to show this image, Google will show the alternative text of that image. The first use of the alternative text is, if image is not appearing, then your alternative text will appear, right? Second is, because in image Google is not able to understand the text, the written text, or Google cannot comprehend the image. So if you, whatever you are writing in the alt text, Google make a meaning out of that. So it always it's a, you have to make it a point, whenever you are using images on the website, you will provide proper alt text, right? How you can provide proper alt text? If it is your, if it is your WordPress website, in the WordPress website, whenever you are trying to upload image, let's suppose you are trying to upload any image, they will ask you for the alt text. If you are trying to upload the images, they will ask you to provide the alt text. So in WordPress it is very easy to do that. If it is not WordPress website, then you can just follow this syntax. You can go to the Control U and see the background of the website, and you can see if any it's image, if img image source. So here this is the way we place the image link, right? This is the way we place the image link on any website. So we start with the tag img source. Source is, this is your address of the image where they will find the this image. So makeintern.png is the image. This is in the image folder on the domain makeintern. So this is the path of the image, right? And this is the class, means design applied on that image, and this is alt text, this is makeintern. So somehow if image will not get uploaded, then this text will appear. So if you are optimizing a non-WordPress website, then whenever you are using this code, image source, in with every this image source code, you have to place a alt text, relevant alt text related to this image. Whatever image is this one, this is the this particular text is about this image. So you have to place relevant alt text, right? I hope you understand now. Yes, nice, nice, nice. So Ayushi has understand. Vivek has Vivek, are you saying you haven't understand the alt text? Vivek, I didn't understand what you are saying. Are you not able to understand the alt text? No worries, let's come to the other point, that is really simple syndication. Okay, Vivek has understand. Nice, Vivek, thank you so much. Now let's understand. See, the end goal is to receive the backlinks. The end goal is how you can get a lot of backlinks for your website. And to collect the backlink for your website, you can do any activities. Right now I am going to list a very generic activities which every website owner do, or which every SEO optimizer, link builder, and off-page activities doer do that. So these are the generic website to acquire the backlinks, but there is no limitation, there is no such limitation that you have to follow the same path. You can do your own brainstorming, and you can find that, okay, what are the other ways available to get the backlinks. It's you can do any like you can plan any such thing, you can do any crazy thing, so that other website should give you backlink. Just plan, just do anything, right? So anything, when I'm saying ethical things, not the non-ethical thing. So one of the generic way to get the backlink is RSS, that is really simple syndication. Really simple syndication. So really simple syndication, if you have seen that kind of sign, let's see if you have ever noticed that Let me see if I can show you some RSS. No, it's not there. Let's see if it is available on Macinturn. No, it's let's see if it is available on Digital Marketing C. No, they haven't placed on Digital Marketing C even. No worries. So just you can go to the Google and you can search RSS and just go to the image part. So have you seen this kind of sign? This kind of sign? Have you ever seen this kind of sign? This is RSS sign. Wherever you are seeing this sign, this is called RSS submission, really simple syndication. Let's see if someone is asking any questions. Dayanand is saying yes. And Vivek is saying, I understand. Nice, Vivek. Thank you. Thank you. And then, yes, all of you must have seen this kind of sign. This is called RSS, or really simple syndication. This is a mechanism. You can inform your blog subscriber that you have uploaded a new blog, right? So for that, you have to go and create the RSS feed URL. So you can go to the simple Google and you can search for RSS feed generator. You can go to the Google and search for RSS feed tool or RSS feed generator. So here you can just go here and you will provide the website URL for which you are going to generate the RSS feed. So RSS feed URL will, what will happen? There will be a separate page in which automatically whatever you are uploading on your website, the link will appear on your feed URL. So the user need not to go back to your website again and again. They can only open your feed URL, and whatever you are uploading on your website, that will also uploaded on the feed URL, right? So let's suppose I'm creating a feed URL for this website. Okay, let's create the feed URL for digitalmarketingc.com. You can go to you can copy the code and you can enter the URL, and you can see the preview how your feed URL will appear. So feed URL is nothing but the collection of all the updates, right? So they are giving you this will be the feed URL. Now see, the URL is what? Feedly.com builder.asp. So this is the feed URL. You can see the feed URL. So how your feed URL will appear here. Alright, let's suppose I am updating the feed. Feed is all about where you are uploading the regular content. It is a page. Digital Marketing C is a simple page. We are not uploading a lot of content in this. So rather than creating the feed URL for the entire website, you can create the feed URL for your blog section where you are uploading the content on the regular basis. So let's suppose this is your website, and if you have a blog section, I'm not sure if we have a blog section. So let's suppose we are creating the feed URL for this section, right? So you can copy this URL and you can paste here and create the feed URL for the section where you are uploading the content on the regular basis. Here you can see the feed URL. They are giving you the guidance. This is the guidance. You can follow the guidelines. So here you can see how your feed URL will appear. So you can see how your feed URL will appear. So when right now what is happening, the latest 30th February post is updating. Post is showing in the feed URL. Right now, let's suppose you have someone has saved this feed URL. You have saved this feed URL, right? Someone has saved this feed URL, and whenever you will upload a new content on this section, the feed URL will automatically show the content on your feed page. So let's suppose I am uploading a new content on this section. The section is category under job. So I am going to upload a new content in this section. For that, what I will do, I will go to the post and I will click on add new post, and let's suppose I am adding a content related to, I'm adding one content on that page, on this category. So let's suppose I'm adding one content. I'm just showing how you will add the content and it will automatically appear on your feed URL. So we are creating a content. Let's suppose this is a job profile, and we are creating a post around this job profile. So I'm just copying the content from somewhere else and creating this post. See if the page here, I can copy the content, and let's create one post. So we are creating one post. It's a job opening. It's a digital marketing trainer. So you have to provide the title of the page. So here I am providing the title, digital marketing trainer needed at Cochin. So let's suppose you have created a profile, created a page. Then if you want, you can edit the URL, and you are creating the URL like leave it make meaningful URL. To make the URL meaningful, you will place the right text, and whenever you are creating the URL, it always makes sense to use the URL in small letters, and right. So you are creating a page, and now you have to update this section, the section for which we have created the feed. So we have created the feed for the job section. So I am adding this post in the job section. So I have added this post in the job section, and now I am publishing it. Right. So we have published this page. Right. So now you can see this page. Here you can go and see that page, how page is appearing. So you have seen that page, and you can see that this page is under job category. Now go and see the feed URL. This is the feed URL. Just refresh it. Okay, we haven't saved that feed URL, I think. So I'm going to create this page. We have created the feed. So here you will see in your feed URL, automatically whatever latest pages you have uploaded, that will appear in the feed section. So see, this is the post we have done, and this is appearing in your feed URL. This is not digital marketing page. So this is called feed URL. You have created this feed URL, and then you will submit this feed URL to all the places. People will bookmark this feed URL, people will save this feed URL. They need not to come back to your website again and again. Whenever you are uploading the content will start appearing in the feed page. So this is called RSS feed. I hope you understand, all of you understand the RSS feed. And to do the RSS submissions, once you have to create the feed, and second you have to submit the feed. So to submit the feed, you will go to the Google and may find RSS submission site. You will go and find RSS submission site. RSS submission site, you can go here and then you have to submit the site. So these are the website where you can submit the feed URL. You can click here and then submit the URL. First you have to burn the feed, and then you have already created the feed, so here you can just submit the URL, right? So these are the different RSS submission site where you have to promote your feed, where you have to list your feed, where you have to submit your feed. So whenever you are submitting a feed, by default what you are submitting, you are creating a new page, you have created a new URL, and from that URL you have generated the link. You have generated the link to your own website. So that's why you are generating backlink for your website. So this is called RSS. This is called RSS submission. So that way you can generate the link. So let's go back to the other method, social bookmarking. Before starting social bookmarking, do you want 5 minutes break? Any of you want 5 minutes break? Yes. So we will be back by 8:10. We will be back by 8:10. Hello. Hello guys, all of you are here. I can see Ayushi, Dayanand, Vivek and Sarah, and I hope all of you are going to give attention to the website. And now we are going to the next way how you can generate backlinks. Again, I am saying whatever tactics I am using, this is a generic way, anyone can do it, but you can find your own unique way to collect the backlinks, right? So one of the popular way to collect the backlink is social bookmarking. Social bookmarking. So have you heard about any social bookmarking site like Dig, Delicious, Reddit, Stumble Upon, that kind of website? No. So if you have to do social bookmarking, what you will do, you will go and first find the good website, good social bookmarking website. So social bookmarking is a website where you can bookmark any web pages for the public, like publicly you can bookmark. In general, what we do, we privately bookmark. So you are bookmarking a page for your own use only. Whenever you need, you can go and open that bookmark page. So bookmark, you understand what is it? Basic bookmark, you understand? Bookmark, so simple bookmarking we understand. Okay, no worries. You can just go to the Google and you can find the top bookmarking site, top bookmarking website, right? You can go and you will find the list of the website where you can bookmark your pages. So these are the list of the website. It's social bookmarking like Reddit is one of the very good social bookmarking website. Dig, Delicious, Reddit, Stumble Upon, these are the different bookmarking website. So whatever you are sharing the link on this website, this will give you public will get to know someone has bookmarked this page. So if you are doing the bookmark, you have to first find the website where you want to do the bookmark, and then you have to create the account. If you are already a member, you can log in here. If you are not a member, you can connect with, you have to create the account. Let's suppose I am creating the account with my Google account. So you have to create the account and then you can do the bookmark. While doing the bookmark, you will submit your website URL. You are going to submit your website URL and little bit of description about the website and that keywords related to that website, right? So they're asking for some information. Once you have created the account, now you are in the bookmarking, Stumble Upon. So whenever you are doing off-page activities, you have to do lot of account creation. So they are asking you to create the they are asking you to, okay, in which category you want to see the bookmark. Like people have bookmarked in shopping or kids or humor or marketing. So people have bookmark in this category. They are asking, okay, you in which category you want to see the bookmark pages. So here you can just select the category, the right category in which you want to see things. So let's suppose I'm doing promotion website. So I will go for marketing, or there is no marketing, then promotion. Promotion is also not any category. Digital is not category. Education, so education is a category. So I'm going to create submit my links in this category. So here you can select the links. Okay, you have to select at least 10 links. So go and select shopping and relationship and spirituality and psychology. So you have to select 10 things. So this is one of the website. That way, if you are doing bookmarking on the daily basis, you have to create daily 10 such accounts. All right, so we have selected, then why not it's showing? Once you have selected the 10 account, they will ask you to go next page. We have selected the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let's select one more, quotation. We have selected one. So then now you are going to start submitting. Once you have selected the 10 interesting category, then you can start submitting. So then you have to start stumble upon. You have to submit your website stumble upon. Welcome here. You will submit. You can complete your profile. This is your profile, and you will complete your profile. Complete means you will provide your images, graphic, videos, every single thing you will provide here. So you have to click, if you want to submit, you will click here in the stumble, right? And then you have to submit. So this is your profile. You can see the my profile, edit interest setting. So you nice. So it's now you want to submit. You have got it. Now you want to submit. Is here you have to stumble your own website. You want to stumble your own website, right? So you will find somewhere, you will find sign in. Again you have to do the sign in. So IUC, we are doing all these things to get a backlink. The idea is that you will go and submit your website and you will get a backlink, right? You can click here add a page, and when you are clicking add a page, you are going to paste your own website. So here I'm going to paste, let's suppose I'm going to paste digital marketing C. So I'm creating a backlink for digital marketing C on StumbleUpon. I'm bookmarking it for others. Safe to work, yes. This page is about digital marketing training. So marketing, okay, marketing training course. So it's you can you have to describe your website. Your website is all about what? It's about advanced digital marketing training course. So you can add tag means what? It's like you have to select the interest. You have to select the interest for this website. This website will go in which category? So this website will go in education category. So I'm going to select this in continuing education. So we have selected the category. You can select more than one category. I am also selecting education. Continuous education is better than education. So it's a continuous educations, and then you will provide the keywords related to this website. So let's suppose this website is related for the keyword like digital marketing. This website is related to the keyword digital marketing. It's online digital marketing training, digital marketing training. So you will provide relevant informations, and then you will click on save. So web address is not a valid URL. So web address, you have to include the HTTP. Along with that HTTP you have to place. So then you can save it. It's interest we have selected. So what you have done, you have created a backlink for you. You have created a backlink for you. Let's refresh the page and you can see that how many pages you have bookmarked so far. Basically, the fundamental is that you have bookmarked this page. So someone can click here and go to your website. So see, you have created a backlink from stumble upon to your own website. Right. So this is called social bookmarking. So and the visitor, there are so many loyal visitor of stumble upon, they can come and see your website. You will receive visitors. If your website is interesting enough, people can share it on other website. If your website is interesting enough, they will add more people will add in their bookmark list. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. So basically, you are generating backlink for your website from other bookmarking website. So that way there is no one stumble upon. There are thousands of bookmarking websites that are available, and you have to submit your website on that particular bookmarking website. So Ayushi, you understand why we are doing bookmarking? What is the use of doing bookmarking? Yes. Nice, thank you. So before moving into the other off-page activities, let me explain you what is the generic process we follow while doing off-page activities. So social bookmarking, for example, we have done it on the stumble upon. Here you can do the Dig is also a bookmarking website. So you will go to the Dig, create your account. After creating the account, you will submit your website link and you will add your account. And social marker is also a bookmarking website. Go and create the account, submit your website, describe your website in 1 or 2 lines, and add the keywords. Your website is related to which keyword. So that way you are creating the backlinks for your website from social bookmarking website. So question is from Ayushi. So all the website on which we have bookmark will have our link on their page. Exactly, and that is the objective of creating the bookmark. So as an SEO, we do the bookmark to get the backlinks from bookmarking website. But the other advantage also include that visitor of the bookmarking website, if your content is interesting, visitor will share your content in their network. If your content is interesting, visitor can click and come to your website. So the dual advantage is you are getting visitors. The second advantage, if you are sharing really interesting content, people will share it on the further. It's a social bookmarking. Publicly, you have bookmarked a page. So if public is liking that page, for the public, your page is interesting, compelling, inquisitive, then they will share the page in their network. And that way you will get a lot of visitors, and that way you will get a lot of backlinks. So if your content is not worthy, then you are going to get only backlinks from the social bookmarking website, right? Question answered. Ayushi, your question well answered. Yes, nice. Thank you. So now there are so many activities you can do to get the backlink. Whatever activities we are going to discuss today, all these activity is going to give backlink to your website. So blog commenting is one of the example. Have you seen that blog commenting on we have seen the blog commenting on for Make-Intern. Do you remember that? We have seen the blog commenting website for Make-Intern. So you may find lot of blogs related to your website, and then you will do the comment. So let's suppose you are finding a blog on digital marketing training. So you can find, I will give you the list of the commands. Using that command, you can find a lot of blogs. So let's suppose you are seeing this blog, and So what you will do, you will go and read this blog. This is one of the blog. You will read this blog, right? And if you find this blog interesting, you can share your thoughts on this blog. You can share your thoughts on the blog. At the end of the blog, they might give you an option to do the comment. Can you see that? This is the comment. Someone has done the commenting. So if you find this content interesting enough, you can just do the commenting. So here you can write your comment, name, email ID, and website. So you can do the post comment. So in that case, your website will, your link will appear here. So this is called blog comment. In the same way, you can go to the another blog. This is also one of the blog. So you will read this blog and then you will add contributing content, not the very good, very nice. No, you will not do the generic comment. You will add value to that comment. We will be commenting on the other blog. IUC, yes, we are commenting on the other blog. So it's blog commenting. So someone has shared on 3 analytics customizations that every website know. So now I am reading this blog, and after reading, I will contribute. Whatever content I am going to share, that should be contributing. That should be good value addition to that website. It should not be spamming. It should not be generic. So this particular website is not giving you option to do the comment. So they don't have given you the option to do the comment. So you can't do the blog comment here. So here you can't do the blog comment. So you are getting the backlink. If you are, if we have, see, let's see, if you have this website and someone has done the comment, so you are creating your identity. You are creating your identity, and if every website have their own loyal users. So if that website is, if the loyal user of that website is finding your content interesting, they will click on your comment, they will click on your link, and they will come to your own website. So see, there is an option to comment here. There is also an option to comment here. So you can write here very good. Let's suppose you are writing very good article. Don't write such kind of very good article, but you will write in a very contributive way, and during that comment you are going to place your website link, and on that link will be off-page activities. This is a recommendation for your website, and you are also getting visitor from that website. So every backlink is a vote in your favor. Google will count every backlink is vote in your favor. How commenting on other website good for our website? You are commenting on other website. You are placing a link on other website. A link on relevant and authoritative other website is a backlink, and every backlink is a vote in your favor. Every backlink is a recommendation, treated as recommendation for the Google ranking. So the more recommendation you will collect, better ranking you will receive in the Google, right? So it's more backlink means more recommendations means better ranking in the Google. Got answer, IUC? Yes, so that's why we are doing all these activities. Initially I have shared every backlink is vote in your favor. Every backlink is recommendation in front of Google. So on page we have recommended ourselves. Through off page we are asking for the recommendations from other website. So whenever you are getting backlink from other website, it is a recommendation to the Google. Okay, your website is good enough, and Google should show that website in the better ranking. So off page activities, again you have to keep few quality things in mind while doing the off page activities. If you are doing any kind of off page activities, let's keep few things in mind. You will get a off page, you will get a backlink from the Google index page. These are the quality parameters. While you are generating the backlink for your website, you will keep these quality parameter in mind. Quality parameter for backlink, quality parameters for off page activities. So here you can see that quality parameters for backlink. So you will not get a random link, you will not get backlink blindly, you will get good kind of backlinks. So backlink or off page activities. Off page activity. So backlink quality and quantity both are important. You have to get a lot of backlink, that is quantity, and the quality of the backlink should be also very good. Quality of the backlink should also very good. Quantity means the number of backlinks should be high. Quality means you have to get backlinks from the relevant and authority website. Relevant means if you are talking about digital marketing, you should receive backlinks from the digital marketing category, education category, digital training category, digital category. You will get a backlink from the relevant website, and you will get a backlink from the authority website, means the website which have their own reputation, the website which have lot of own backlinks. Try to get backlinks from the related and good website. So other quality factor is you will always try to get backlink from the page which must be present in Google index. You will always try to get backlink which is crawled by Google recently in less than 30 days. If you are getting a backlink, let's suppose you are getting a backlink from this page, you are trying to get backlink from this page, then you have to see whether this website is Google has recently crawled this website or not. So here you can see whether Google has crawled this website recently or not. So here you can go and check into the Google, click here, click on the cache, and you can see that recently Google has, on 10th February, Google has crawled this content. So recently Google has crawled this content. It's good to get a backlink from this page. You can go to end of the page and you can find the way to get backlinks from this page. The one of the way is commenting. One of the way is commenting. So here you can do the comment, you can do the commit, you can submit. During that comment you can place the website link, and that if that website is giving you an option to place the link, then only you can place. So it's your responsibility to find the website which is giving you permission to place the backlink on your website, right? So these are the quality factors you will keep in mind. If the website is, if this website is not crawled, like if this right now this website is crawled on 10th February and you are checking a web page and the page is not crawled recently, if the website is crawled in February 2016, let's suppose the website this website crawler has come to the website in 2016, it's 1 year back crawler has came to this page, so then there is no use of to get backlink from that kind of page. So you will always try to get backlink having where the Google crawler has recently crawled, less than 30 days. So outgoing backlink should not be more than 20. So if you have done the commenting, let's suppose this is one of the website where you have done the commenting. So it's not that 2,000 people have, more people have done the commenting and 2,000 more people have done, placed their web link. So whenever you are taking a backlink from any website, that particular website is sharing their recommendation, sharing their authority with you. So if one website has one link, means that website is sharing the entire authority with one website. But if one website have 20 links, means they are sharing their authority divided by 20 links. So in that case, your authority share will be very less. So you will always try to get a backlink where the number of outgoing links should be less. Means number of other website link present on that page should be as less as possible. And categorically, you will try to get backlink from the page where outgoing link is less than 20. And no class C IP means if you are getting 20 backlinks and the owner or hosting of all those 20 backlinks is the same, then all these website is have the same IP address. The first 3 octet of the domain name will be the same. So Google will treat all these 20 backlink as the one backlink, not the 20 backlink. So you will always try to get backlink from the diversified hosting places. You will not get backlinks from the website which is hosted at the same place. If let's suppose I have 20 website, I will not buy 20 different hosting space. I will buy only one hosting space, and I will host all of my website in one hosting space, right? So in that case, the IP address, the first three number of the IP address will be same for all of my 20 website. And if I am giving you backlink from those 20 website, Google is able to recognize that these 20 website are same one. These 20 website, owner of these 20 website is the same one. So Google will not treat it as a 20 link. Google will treat it as a one link. So whenever you are getting backlink from many website, so try to get backlink from the different hosting provider. It's not that all the websites should not be hosted in one hosting account. Unique domain, you will try to get backlink from the many different domains. Domain, you know that you will try to get, you will not get a backlink from the footer or from the header or from, you will always try to get backlink from the content area. Get backlink from the content area means if you are getting backlink from the content area, let's suppose you are getting backlink from this area, this is called content area, this is very good, treated as very good link. But if you are getting backlink from the footer link, if you are getting backlink from the footer area, so this is not very good kind of backlink. So if your link is in the footer, means all the pages of your all the pages of this website is giving you link. So you have placed one link, but you have received 2000 links. So that kind of 2000 link is not good idea. Always try to get backlink from the content area. Always try to get backlink from the one page of the domain, not all the pages of the domain, not from the footer, not from the sidebar, not from the header, always from the unique page. Do follow, no follow, we have discussed. We always, you always have to take a link which is sharing their authority. They should not place rel is equal to no follow before your link. So you will always go for do follow, no redirected link. So when someone is clicking on your link, it should not go to another page and then go to your website. It should directly go to your website. So you will always try to get backlink from the you will always try to get backlink which have direct link, no redirection should be there. You will not try to get backlink from the JavaScript, iframe or Flash, because Google has little bit difficulty to understand JavaScript. Google has little bit difficulty to understand iframe, and Google has already denied that Google does not understand Flash. So if your link is present in the JavaScript section, if your link is present in the iframe section, if your link is present in the Flash sections, so that means you are not getting benefit of that link. So never try to get backlink from the JavaScript, iframe or Flash file. And whenever you are taking a backlink, you will take a link on the variation text. Like if your root word is digital marketing course, then don't take all the links on the keyword digital marketing course. Try to get a backlink from the varieties of the keywords, like best digital marketing course, top digital marketing course in India, digital marketing course in Noida, online digital marketing course, job guaranteed digital marketing course, job. So you will create a backlink on the different anchor text. Your anchor text should be, variety of anchor text should be there. So these are the factors, these are the quality factors you can keep in mind while taking the backlinks. Apart from these quality factors, I am going to show you the process of getting the backlinks, how you can get the backlink. These are the generic method. You can get backlink from the social bookmarking site. You can do the social bookmarking site, for example, Dig, Delicious, Reddit, StumbleUpon. These are the social bookmarking site. Classified site, for example, OLX, Sulekha, Click India, Quaker. These are the classified website. You will go create account, create a content to submit, and then submit. Video promotion website like YouTube or VMO, you can submit the video and you can also place the website URL there. article website, you can go and find top article summation website like Design or about.com or article base or article dashboard. There are so many article website. You will go create your account, write the article, and then submit it. News syndications, article base, these are the article submission website. So you can create the link wheel. How you can create the link wheel? These are the free blogging website. Studio is a free blogging, WordPress is a free blogging, Blogger is a free blogging. These are the free blogging website. So in the free blogging website, you will publish your content on Studio, on WordPress, Blogger, Quizilla, Weebly, Wix. You will publish your content, and from that content, one link you will give to your own website, one link you will give to the other posting you have done on other website. So that way you are creating a link wheel for your website. So this link wheel is a kind of from diversified domain, from the authority domain, from the relevant category. So you are getting a backlink for your website, right? Blogging, you can like whenever you are doing the blogging, you are creating like you have created a free blog on WordPress, your website.wordpress.com. You can place a link of your main website. You can create a blog on Bloggers, your website.blogger.com. You can place your main website link on the Blogger. You can create Tumblr. So you are placing main website link on the Tumblr blog. So this is called Blogger. Blog submissions. Once you will post the blog, then you will go and submit your blog into the blog submission website. So there are so many blog submission websites. Go to the Google and find blog submission website or blog directory website, and you can submit your blog URL there. So it's a blog submission website. And then guest posting, you can find the relevant blog and you can do one-to-one communication with them. Okay, I want to share my relevant or my content with your audience. I want to publish my content on your website. So you are going to provide free content to the other website, and other website give you backlink in return. So this is guest posting. Go and find the relevant blog, because fresh content is a factor in ranking. Producing quality fresh content regularly on your website is a very important factor in ranking. So many bloggers are struggling to provide the fresh quality content. So what they have done the arrangement that you can provide the free quality worthy content to the blogger, and blogger will give you backlink. So backlink will be recommendation for you and they will get the free content. So that way you are generating backlink for you. Directory submissions. Directory submission is relevant only if you are submitting to the relevant directory. Don't go and submit to the any directory. If you are in education, go and submit your website in education directory. If you are in fashion, go and submit your website in fashion directory. So you can do the directory submissions. If you have ebook or PDF, you can go and submit your PDF. There are so many doc sharing sites like DocShock and PDF. You can submit the PDF into the SlideShare. So while submitting the doc, you can create the backlink for your website. Forum posting. There are so many forum. People are talking about a particular topic. So forum is where like-minded people are doing online discussions. So if it's a yoga forum, all the people are talking about yoga. If it is a fashion forum, people are talking about fashion. If it's a digital marketing forum, people are talking about digital marketing. So you have to find the relevant forum and go through their discussions, and let's participate in that discussions. While participating in that discussions, you can place the relevant link of your website. So that way you are generating the link, and if your contribution is good, people will also visit your website. So that way you are generating backlink from the forum posting. Profile creation. So everywhere, wherever you are going to do any kind of submissions, they will ask you to create a profile. So when you are creating a profile, there will be a section to place your website link. So you will always complete your profile with pictures, with summary, with all the details of whatever they are asking for, and along with that you will also provide your website link. So that link will be profile links. You are getting a backlink from your profile page. So it's a profile link, local listing or yellow pages. For example, India Mart, Trade India, Just Dial. These are the business listing site. So you can go and submit your website details or business detail in the business listing website, and along with that business summaries, you will also provide your website link. So that will be a backlink from the business directory or business listing website. You can do online press release. So as we have offline press release, we have online press release as well. So like pr.com or press release 18888.com. So you will go to the Google, find top press release website in India or top press release website of UK. Wherever you are promoting, you will find all these kind of link from the relevant country. If you are promoting in India, all these links should be from India. If you are promoting in UK, you will find all these links of the UK country. That you have to also keep in mind. So press release, one of the best kind of backlinks Google treat. So if you have any kind of online press coverage or offline press coverage, go and have it. So Google just give more authority, more value to the press release website. So here you will find the press release website. You will write your content for the press release, go and create the account on the press release website, submit your press release and wait for your approval. So once it approved, you will get a backlink from the press release website. So it's a press release. In the same way, you can do the photo sharing. For example, you can share photo. There are so many photo sharing websites where you can share your photo and pictures. Along with that, you can also share the website link. There are so many question answer websites. For example, Quora, Yahoo Answers, Wiki Answers, Answer.coms. So these are the different places where people are doing discussion in the form of question answer. So what you will do, you will find all those question answer, and then you will find the relevant question of your industry. If I'm in digital marketing, I will find the questions related to digital marketing, and then I will share my experience and knowledge and expertise on those answers, and along with that answers, I will place my website link, and that link from the question answer website, it will be a backlink for my website. So that way you are going to add question answer website, business review websites. So there are so many review websites. First you have to go and create your business presence, and then you will ask for review. So while creating the business presence, again you are placing the website link, and when people are talking about reviews, they can also place the link. So that will be a backlink for you. RSS submissions we have already discussed. So you are going to find those RSS. First you will create the RSS feed URL, and then you will submit that URL to all the RSS submission website. So RSS feed URL is a page which will get automatically updated whenever you are uploading new content on your website. So people, if someone has subscribed to your RSS, they need not to visit your website regularly. They can only open the feed URL, and whatever you are uploading in your website, the same content will be available to them on the feed URL. So in the chronological order, means the latest content will be available on the top and the old content will be available in the bottom. So they can visit your latest content whenever they will visit the feed URL. And then you will submit that feed URL to our RSS submission website to distribute that RSS or promote that RSS submission. So ultimate aim of all these activities to get the backlink to your website. Here is the list of some social bookmarking site. Here is the list of some video sharing site, list of link wheel creation website, and list of blog directories are there, list of article submission websites are there, list of RSS directories are there, list of classifieds are there, list of business listings websites are there, list of press release websites are there, image sharing websites are there, PDF sharing websites are there. So these are the resources where you can do the off-page activities. So got any idea about off-page activities? Any of you got little bit of idea what is off page activities or what is off page SEO? So yes, yes, nice, thank you. Ayushi has got the idea, Vivek has got the idea. So in principle it is very easy. In teaching I have taught you lot of activities. These are some off-page activities. Yes, Vivek, right. But when you actually practice on acquiring the link, you have to do a lot of hard work. So be ready for that. Be ready for do lot of hard work to get the backlinks, and always try to get backlink from the quality website, and the quantity also matters, right? So now let me show you some. Go through this block commenting. We understand. I'm going to revise it again here. Block commenting. These are the few command. Using that command you can find the relevant blog. So you can just find the relevant blog here. So you can just copy this one, go to the Google and find the relevant blog for block comment. So for copy this command, paste here, and here in place of keyword you will write your own keyword. So let's suppose my keyword is digital marketing course. So here you will enter and you will find the blog where you can do the comment. So here someone has digital Deepak have written the content, and in this content once you have to go through the content, and then you will share the you will contribute it. So here you will get at the end of the content and see the length of the content, how long images they have used, they have used a paragraph heading. So see how many links they have, someone has commented and they have placed the link. So all these are comments, and you can share the you can write the comment and you can share the links. So see the number of comment here, and you can write the comment here as well. So I'm just sharing. Let's suppose my name is here. I'm placing the name of the website. It's let's suppose name is digital, or you can just place Bhavna. Email ID is BHA Bhavna Bhardwaj 99. Here you have to place the website link. So let's suppose website link is www.digitalmarketingc.com. Copy the link, place the link there. So you are placing the link. Can you share some format? Before commenting, go through the go through the content what they have talked about. So the content is all about content marketing, how to plan, execute and integrate digital marketing campaign. So you have to go through this content marketing. So I'm asking, so let's suppose you are asking the questions related to can you share some share some format to plan to plan end-to-end digital marketing for new website. Marketing for new website. Marketing for a new website, right? You can publish it. So now see, can you see that we have received the backlink? So this is, someone can click here and go to your website. This is called blog commenting backlink. Got the idea? So this is your backlink. This is your backlink. Got the idea? Vivek, Dayanand, Ayushi, Shara, how you can generate backlink for your through blog commenting. So these are the command you can use to find the relevant blog for commenting. You can find the relevant blog for commenting. Nice, nice. Thank you. So let's briefly go through the blog commenting. In the same way, if you are getting backlink from the educational website, it's also going to give Google give more preferences to the educational website and government website. So these are the commands you can use to find educational website. And once you will find the educational website, you can do the comment. You can contribute on that comment. In the same way, you can find government website. You can find the government website. So again, article website is an article city, hub pages. These are article dashboard. These are the article website. Go and find those article website. Make a list of good article website. Create the account. Write the article. Submit the article, and along with that, place one website link, relevant website link. So blog directories, you will write a blog and you will submit that blog on all those blog directories. So go to the Google, find a list of blog directories, create the account, submit your blog there and wait for approval. Once it is approved, that will be the backlink for your website. So you can do doc submissions. All these are doc submission website. Again, go to the Google, find top doc submission website, create the account, create the doc, submit the doc, wait for approval. And along with that, you will also get the website link. So whenever you are doing any kind of these activities, you will try to place the website link. Again, YouTube, let's suppose you are going to the YouTube. So let's go to the YouTube, and while uploading the videos, you can place the you can go to the channel, right? Let's suppose here you are on the channel, and here you can place the website link. So here you can place if you are the owner of the channel, you can edit it, and while doing this editing, you can place the website link. So rather than stern event, it should be visit www.digitalmarketingc.com, and rather than writing it, don't believe your writing, just copy the link. So here you are placing the website link, and then you will click on save changes, and then you will see if you have received the backlink or not. So So this is your, see, have you got the backlink from YouTube? This is your backlink from the YouTube. So that way you can submit your video link on many other video website. So press release, again I have shared, go and find the top press release website. You can go to the Google, find top, go to the Google, find, top online press release website. Press release site in India. So some website will give you a top press release website, and here you will first you will visit the website, create the account, write the press release and submit it and wait for approval. So these are the top press release websites. Okay, these are the top press release website. You can go to the website prlog.org. Here you will create the account, and you can create the free account, write the content. So you have, this is the process you have to do inside the press release, submission process, and after submissions you have to follow their guidelines. So this way you can do the press release, and Google just love this press release backlink. So link will, we have discussed that you are going to that as you have already created free WordPress website, right? So you are going to create account on all these Scudo, WordPress, Blogger, Weebly, Wix, Tumblr, and then there, after creating the account, you will write the content. Once you will write the content, you will submit the content on your free blog. When you are submitting the content, you will, they are HTML editor. There is, whenever you are creating a content on the Blogger site, there will be HTML editor. So in that HTML editor, you will place a link to your own website on the relevant anchor text. So you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 links from all these free blogging platform. And you will also promote the other blogging platform by linking one blogging platform to the other. So this kind of link structure is called link wheel. So when you are writing a mail, you can place your website link in the, you can promote your website link from the emails. And when you are writing auto reply, you can place the backlinks from your, place the backlink in the auto reply. All the social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, G+, all the social media will give you opportunity to share the backlink on while sharing the content. So on social media, you can create two kind of backlinks. One, while creating the profile, you are first you are going to create the profile on the social media. So while creating the profile, you will place the website link on your profile page. And second, while sharing your content, you can share the relevant link on your you can share the relevant link of your website on social media sharing. So question answer website, you can go to the Yahoo Answers, like you can go to Google or Quora or anywhere, and you can find digital marketing question. Marketing question. There are so many websites which do that question answer. Rather than finding question, you just go to the Quora, or you can go Yahoo Answers or answer.com or Wiki Answer. Again, you have to create the account. Once you will create the account, you will ask the questions. Okay, the question is related to digital marketing. The topic related to digital marketing. You will find the relevant questions. What are some great example of marketing? And while answering the questions, what is the future career in the digital marketing? What is the entry level salary can be expected? So here I can answer. Yes, I can answer. And here you can write the answers. While writing the answer, you will also place the backlink. So there is an option to place the link. So here you can enter the link of, let's suppose I am going to enter the link of about, let's suppose I am sharing related to the job. So future scope of future scope of digital marketing in India. So let's suppose you should be writing your good content. You should not copy your content from anywhere else. But ma'am, please share the PowerPoint by which you are teaching and another material also. Yes, Ayushi, you are going to get this PowerPoint, and you can ask the other material I will share, and the PowerPoint. Anyways, you are going to get all these things in the video format. So other marketing, other content I will share, and the video you will see that, and PPTs also, that Make in Turn will share the PPTs as well, right? So future, I'm just if you are asking about, I'm not able to copy the content. Otherwise, you understand here you can write the content and place the backlink as well, right? So you can place the backlink. So these are the example of question answer website. So you can do the question answer, and Yahoo answers, again find the relevant questions, answer it. Whenever someone is if instead of guessing how, if you want to get backlink, best way to get the ranking is go to the Google and search for the keyword for which you want top ranking. Let's suppose I want top ranking for digital marketing course. If I want top ranking for digital marketing course, so what I will do, Google is suggesting 1 crore 15 lakhs website. So I will go to all these websites one by one, and I will see from where they have received the backlink, from where this particular website have received the backlink. So let's suppose this is the top website. So I will find from where they have received the backlink, and for that I have suggested you the tools, Majestic or Backlink Watcher or Open Site Explorer. These are the backlink checker tool. So you can just copy the URL and paste it here, and you will see from where they have received the backlink. So what I will do, from wherever they have received the backlink, I will also try to get the backlink from that website. So if the top ranking website is getting 136 links, 26 domain, 25 referring ID, so what I will try, I will target for 200 backlinks. I will target for 50 referring domain. I will target for 50 referring IPs. So that way you can outrank them. And apart from that, you can also get a list of the website from where they have received the links, and I will try to get backlink from them as well. So that way you are going to create your link profile. The best way to get the backlink from the top, go and find the backlink of the top ranking website, and then try to get the backlink. Whichever website is ranking already in the top, do the competition check of their backlink and try to get backlink from them as well. Second method is, whichever website is coming on the top, you will try to get backlink from them. If it is possible, go and try to get backlink from these pages. This is the fastest way to get the ranking on the Google. So these are the competition backlink. As I have shared Majestic, you can get the backlink list from the Backlink Watch. This will give you the backlink list from the Backlink Watch. So you can just go to the Google and open Backlink Watch. So it's a Backlink Watch is a backlink checker tool. Here you will place the website URL. Let's suppose the website URL, and every tool may give you different result. Every tool have their own algorithm, tool have their own crawler, so they may give you different result, right? So here you are placing the GAGE, and then you are checking the, is it not correct? So it's GAGECASADESUS, and let's check the backlink. Okay, so backlink URL should be correct. So it should be with HTTPS. It should along with the HTTPS. So here you will place the backlink and then you will check the backlink. But you understand, they will give you, the captcha is not correct, otherwise they will give you the list of the backlinks your competitor has acquired, and then you will try to get the backlink from your competitor linking website. So backlink watch is one of such tool, and ultimate SEO strategy. So you can go and find, if you are working yourself, then you have to do all these activities. If you are not working yourself, then you can find the freelancers on Alliance or Fiverr or Odesk. All these are the freelancing website. You can find the providers. You can outsource the backlinking process to them. But if you are outsourcing, you will keep the quality factor in mind. Make sure to keep the quality factor in mind. There are some tools you can use, tool to create the content. Let's suppose you have created one article. So if you are submitting one article to 500 websites, so this is not going to give you the result. So you have to create unique content for all the article website. You have to create unique description for all the bookmarking website. You have to create unique press release for all the press release website. So in that case, this spinner or automation tool will help you to create the unique content from the same content. So you have to do this off-page activities on the regular basis. It's not like once you have created the five link and that is the end of the ranking. No. You have to continuously work on off-page activities to acquire the continuous backlink. So you must have to do consistently your number of link and quality of link and quantity of link should increase. So consistently you have to work towards to increase the number of links. So if in first month you have acquired 10 links, in the next month you will acquire 20 links, in the next month you will acquire 30 links. So consistently, slowly the number of links should increase. So don't check your ranking for the first 3 months. If you are working on the new website, never try to check backlink, never try to get that ranking in the first 3 months. Keep executing, keep working, keep doing your work. Just focus on your executions. The result will happen to you. So fundamental principle, small effort every day. Don't try to get 50 backlink in one day. Rather than it's always good idea to get 5 backlink in one day and acquire 50 backlink in 10 days. So small effort every day going to give you better result than all the effort in one day. So diversify your promotion. Don't try to get backlink from one source only. Get the backlink from the different sources, from article, from press release, from comments, from a forum, from question answers. So try to get backlink from the different sources rather than getting backlink from the one source only. And use automation on outsourcing if you have time, and if you initially try to do every single thing manually. Initially don't try to outsource or automate. Initially try to do every single thing manually. Once you understand the process, once you understand the quality factor, once you understand the quantity factor, once you understand every single thing, then try to automate it and try to use the tools and try to outsource to anyone, so that you have control on your quality. The quality should not be deteriorated. You should not be compromising on the quality of the backlinks. So, and set realistic goal, but of course you don't, if you have done the competition analysis and your competitor has 5,000 links, don't try to get 5,000 links in one night. distribute your work so that you will be acquiring 5,000 links in 6 months rather than giving all the focus in one day. So set realistic goal for yourself, and once you are working in the team, delegate the right work to the right persons, and make sure for the quality, do the regular supervision, provide them regular training, and do the quality checks, and keep giving them feedback so that they should give you the right result. So outsourcing is the best way whenever it is a kind of like tedious job which you have to do on the regular basis. It's all, once you have understand the process, it makes sense to outsource it to the others. And if you are outsourcing, so for if you are looking for job, then there is lot of opportunities for the person who can do the outsourcing work. So you can also look for the freelancing opportunity when you are ready to provide the backlinking services, right? So that way we have completed our off-page activities, and so let's I'm going to revise one more thing for you. Any questions so far, guys? Any question you want to ask? So you can follow these processes whenever you are doing off-page activities. You can follow the process like collect the good resources for the backlink. First, you will go and find the websites where you want to place the links. So first, go and collect all the resources for the backlinks. Second, go and create the account on those resources. Third, analyze that website, that what kind of backlinks they are giving you, what kind of backlinks they have given to other website. So whether that kind of backlink is under your quality parameters or not. If that kind of backlink is under your quality parameters, then you will write contributive respective content for that resource website, and then you will submit the content to that resource website. You will make sure that you have selected the right category, make sure you are contributing in the relevant way, don't do spamming, don't do any kind of unethical practices. Whenever possible, place the link of the main page, product page, or important pages, and get the backlinks on the diversified anchor text. Don't take all links in one text, and at the end of the day, all backlinked together should look like that these websites naturally have given links to you. It should not look like that you have done any effort, you have manipulated anything to acquire this link. So all this backlink should be looks natural to the Google, right? So that way you will get backlinks on the diversified domain. Few backlinks you can also get on the keywords like view website, click here, visit website, read more. Few backlinks you can also get from these kind of websites, so that Google feel that okay, you are getting backlink from the relevant sources. So fair enough for the day. Any questions so far? Ask any question. IUC has no questions. So how many of you are going to do practices on off-page activities? I hope you must do practices, because theory is not going to give you lot unless you are not practicing it, right? So fair enough for the day, or you would like to start new topic? The new topic will be pay per click, that is AdWord. Next topic we are supposed to start AdWord. So would you like to start the new topic today? Any of you? Next week. IUC is saying we would like to start this in next week. Nice, nice IUC, fine. So we can wind up the session for the day, or do you have any questions? You can just ask the questions. Fair enough. Vivek is saying fair enough. Thank you so much, Vivek. Okay, let's okay. Who was asking me to revise website? Someone was asking me to revise website. Okay, IUC, I will share the content with you. No worries, I will share the content with you. I hope I have your email ID. I will share the content with you. I will share all the office content with you. So no worries. So your email ID is ayushiaquarius@gmail.com. Okay, fine. Fine, we can wind up for the day now. Okay, yes, IUC is asking to revise the page. Okay, IUC, just share the page. Just share the page. So Ayushi, for which page you want me to revise? Okay, you are asking me to revise on page, entire on page, or you have some pages on which you want me to revise. Okay, you are asking me to revise or entire on page. Okay, fine, fair enough. I'm going to revise it in 5 minutes, right? Okay, there are so many things on page. One thing you can keep in mind that on page activity means you are setting up relevancy. You are making your website ready for the Google. So let me show you on page activities. So the PPTs we have already followed. So rather than following the PPT, let me show you some practical worksheet where we can revise the on-page activities. Right. So let's go to the drive and make a smaller font. Let's move it smaller. Right, and let's find one of on-page sheet. Can you find any on-page sheet here? Let's find on-page sheet. See, this is one of the on-page activity we are trying to do. So see, so if you are working for a website, these are the activities we do on our website. First, you will generate the tracking code from analytics that we are going to discuss in analytics section. So first you have to generate the analytics code and place on your website. Make sure to install analytics code on your website. Make sure to submit your website in the Google Search Console that we have discussed today. Make sure to submit your website in the Bing Webmaster in the similar way as we have submitted our website in the Google Search Console. Same way you have to submit your website to the Bing Webmasters. If you are using WordPress, you can install the WordPress Analytics plugin. You can install any good SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or all-in-one SEO. You will make sure that there should be no not found pages on your website. There should not be redirected 301, 302. 301 is permanent redirection, 302 is temporary redirection. So if you have any 404, if you have any error pages, that error page should go to the right correct page. So that you will fix. There should not be, ideally thumb rule is that there should not be any error, 404 error on your website. And you can use the screaming frog or Ahref tool. These are the tool to find any broken links or any kind of error or crawl problem in your website. Go and fix all the crawl or broken link problem from your website. You can use the tools like Keyword Finder, Keyword Planner, keywordtool.io, SME Google Keyword Planner to find the right keyword. We are going to use this keyword while we will set up the PPC. We will set up the AdWord account and we will revise this section again. So you can use the tools to find the right keyword for the keyword have less amount of competitions and good amount of search volume. So you will map the keyword on the right pages. Let's suppose you have collected 200 pages. So you can distribute the keyword on the right respective web page. And then you will incorporate main primary keyword in the URL. Every URL must have relevant, meaningful keywords. It means placing the keyword in the URL. Place the keyword in title in such that your CTR should increase. Means number of clicks should increase. You are creating your title so compelling, so inquisitive, so beautiful that when that title is appearing in the Google result, people should click on that title. So you will create a title and you will also tactfully place the keyword in the title in 66 character, and you will place the keyword in the title as early as possible. So keyword in the meta descriptions, again 160 characters, you will write 160 character meta description, but to make sure that description should be meaningful, grammatically correct, and increase your number of clicks in the Google result. You will use at least one H1 header tag, that is page heading should be in the H1. If you have paragraph or listing, your paragraph heading must have proper heading, and you may use keyword in the heading H1, H2, H3. You make your content well formatted and you will make your content scannable and readable. And healthy amount of the content on your page should be good enough. Minimum it's 200-300 words, but I will recommend you can have at least 2000 words on your page. So you will use synonyms and semantically related keywords to make the content natural. So synonyms, semantically related variation of the keyword to make your content look natural. And you will use, if you are using any media or images, then media file name should be your media file name should be relevant, image file name should be relevant, and you will use alt tag which we have seen today. And you will do interlinking. One page of your website should be relevantly linked to the other page. So this is called interlinking. You will make sure that every page should have proper interlinking. And make sure you are not creating any kind of duplicate content within your website. No, there should not be any duplicate content within your website. If there is duplicate content, there is a way to fix it, and canonical tag is the way to fix it. So if you have variation 5 pages duplicate, you will decide one page as the preferred one, and you will place that link as the canonical relation with the other variation. So canonical link, you must fix your canonical link. And if wherever you are using the URL in the code, that should be the complete URL, www.yourxyz.com, that way. It should not be the relative URL. And site speed, you have to make sure your site speed should be less than 3 seconds. And you will create XML sitemap and submit that sitemap to the Yahoo, Google, Bing, and you will create robo.txt. In sitemap, you will list all the pages which you want to submit to the Google. in sitemap you will list all the pages which you want to rank in the Google, and then you have to submit it to the Google. And in robot.txt you will list all the pages which you don't want to appear in the Google. So you will create the robot.txt in the particular syntax, and then you will upload that robot.txt file on your server and submit that robot.txt to the Google. So minimum these activities you will do in on page, right? Fair enough? Nice, nice, IOC, nice. Thank you. Okay, fine. Vivek is saying not hearing. I'm not sure. Rest of you are hearing. Vivek, we are going to wind up the session, so I hope you have you will see the recording and then you will hear the voice. Okay, fine. Bye. Good night. See you on the next week. See you next week. Nice, nice, nice. अच्छा खाना ले गया? मेरा दिन वाला भी नाश्ता वैसे ही रखा हुआ है।